Hello everyone, welcome to myTectra career advice section of our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something very interesting on mobile application development. Today we are going to address what could be the best course one can choose when it comes to mobile application development. In fact, myTectra started training in 2012, primarily focusing on Python related training and mobile apps development training. So when you say mobile apps development, primarily we talk about Android development and iOS development. And if you look at the kind of enrollment we have, almost 70% of the people they go for Android development and about 30% of the people they go for iOS development. And iOS with Objective-C and Android with Java. So this is the traditional courses been chosen for a long time, and then iOS with script programming. Then recently people are opting out for Android with Kotlin. There are many people still going for Android with Java. So there are a lot of technology changes over the period, in fact past few years. So the question is, does iOS and Android still relevant in 2019? Still, is it a very attractive career? Can I jump into this technology, any one of it? Yes, of course you can choose it. But at myTectra, we have different courses recommended for you, which is most trending today and highly paid, and opportunity is huge compared to the traditional iOS development and Android development. Today, if you want to get into mobile application development, the best course is React Native. So React Native is a mobile application platform, hybrid application platform. You develop in a single platform and deploy both in Android and iOS. So React Native means a cost saving for the business. So instead of developing the same application in Android, same application in iOS, having a two different team, you can develop in a single platform, React Native, and deploy native to both of the platform, iOS and Android. So the best recommended course for a mobile application development today, as on today, and in fact in future, is React Native, which is a Facebook technologist. And today most of the company, they go for hybrid application development for mobile apps, particularly React Native. In fact, Google also has come up with their own hybrid mobile apps platform, which is called Flutter. You can also choose that. So the best recommended course for mobile application development is React Native. I hope this video helps all of you. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more career advice videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.